Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do the head tracking or head focus in CapCut PC. So in here I have a dance video and I want to make the camera focus on the head movement of this person. So if you want to do the same, just follow the step. First, you can just click on the clip on a timeline and find the camera tracking options. Tap on that, choose camera tracking. Now choose the face or head in here option, then just tap on track, or you can also use the custom one. Let's try to use the custom one in here and move the rectangle into the area that you want to track, which is the head. I'm going to make the center at the nose in here. Click on track. Just wait until the tracking process is done. So it will be done in seconds. That's it. So it's done. You can just click on a check icon and this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.